Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Wix bookings in Wix. If you want to let visitors schedule appointments, classes, or services directly through your website, adding Wix bookings is a quick and useful step. Wix bookings is a great feature for businesses that need an easy way for customers to schedule services online. For example, you can use it for fitness classes, consultations, beauty appointments, lessons, events, or any service where customers need to choose a time and book directly from your website. The good news is that the setup starts right from your Wix dashboard, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, go to your site dashboard. This is the main control area for your Wix website, where you manage your site settings, apps, design tools, and business features. Your Wix dashboard is where you control many important parts of your website. From here, you can manage your pages, add new features, update your design, and install tools that improve how your website works. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the major sections of your site, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct dashboard for the website you want to edit. If you manage multiple Wix websites, this step is especially important. Always confirm that you are editing the correct site before installing new apps or making changes. Next, click on Apps in the left sidebar. This section is where Wix lets you expand what your site can do by adding built-in tools and extra features. Apps are useful because they allow you to add new functionality without needing to build everything manually. Wix provides different apps for business management, marketing, communication, and customer interactions. After opening apps, click on App Market. The App Market is basically Wix's library of available apps, and it's where you can find tools for bookings, stores, events, forms, chat, and much more. The App Market gives you access to many different tools that can help you customize your website based on your specific goals. Whether you want to sell products, collect information, or allow customers to book services, this is where you can find the right feature. Once you're inside the App Market, go to the search bar and type in Wix Bookings. This helps you find the exact app quickly without having to browse through different categories. Searching directly is usually the fastest option because Wix has many available apps. Using the search bar helps you avoid scrolling through different sections and gets you to the correct tool faster. When the Wix Bookings app appears in the results, click on it to open its app page. Here, you may see a short overview of what the app offers, which can be helpful if you want to confirm that you're selecting the correct booking tool for your site. Before installing the app, it is a good idea to review the features and make sure Wix Bookings matches what you need. This can help you avoid adding unnecessary tools and make sure your website setup fits your business workflow. After that, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin adding the app to your website. In most cases, this happens very quickly. Once it's added, that's it. You've successfully installed Wix Bookings on your site. At this point, the app is connected to your website, and you can move on to customizing it later based on your business needs. After installation, you can configure your services, create booking schedules, set availability, and adjust settings so the booking experience matches the way your business operates. Whether that means offering appointments, classes, or other bookable services. A helpful tip is to make sure you're signed into the correct Wix account and working on the right website before adding the app, especially if you manage more than one site. You should also think about where you want your booking feature to appear on your website. Placing it somewhere easy to find, such as your homepage, navigation menu, or services page, can make it easier for visitors to book without searching around. That's the full process for adding Wix Bookings in Wix. Once it's installed and customized, Wix Bookings can help simplify scheduling, save time, and create a smoother experience for both you and your customers.